Swim your worries away and experience a better way of life for everyone. A better life for pets, children, adults, aging parents, and even guests, as this home is equipped with its own first floor, in-law, and guest quarters. But I'll save that for later. 45 Redbridge Lane in South Hadley is located in an established neighborhood of all newer homes. It's convenient for walking and features a grassy knoll for pets and kids to roam. Inside, you'll find almost 3,000 square feet, a wonderful open floor plan with an abundance of natural light, hardwood floors, and a gas fireplace. The kitchen boasts quartz countertops, cherry cabinets, and a breakfast bar. The formal dining room, half bath, first floor laundry, and the ever so desirable guest quarters can also be found on the first floor. So why an in-law? Why not? It's a luxury that provides convenience, comfort, and affordability. What a gift to keep your loved ones close by as they're aging, and what a great opportunity for them to be able to help out with the grandkids if needed, all while having their own private space. Upstairs, you'll find a nice layout with 4 spacious bedrooms that can easily accommodate a large growing family. Master bedroom has ensuite bath and even comes with a separate room with its own private office. So like I said before, 45 Redbridge Lane in South Hadley offers a better way of life. So come on by, soak up the sun, and live the good life. I hear it's calling your name. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly, and until next time, happy house hunting.